Hello, my name is Zeno and I'm from team 8390W. I'm the builder and designer, and I want to show you a few advanced elevator designs. Since it's the mid-season and everybody wants to find a good elevator designs, I want to show you a few that we previously used. I want to start off by introducing the parts in these elevators, which mainly consist of the parts in this kit, which is like this kit. And it includes the tank treads, sprockets, 24 tooth, some traction links, and some differently sized intake flaps. Moving on to the designs. These are what they look like. There's a simpler design, and there's a harder design. This is the simpler design. Elevators mainly use two main components: a drive and a guide. In this elevator, the drive is this sprocket and the tank tread attached onto this bar. The guide are these 1x3s that are put between these 1x20 bars. There are a few beams between them, which will help as the guide. So this is what the design is. Moving on to the more advanced one, there's a lot of changes made here. Firstly, the sprocket is made bigger because we want to have more steps in each revolution, and maybe to cover more surface area. So there's only one beam here as opposed to two, because we wanted to save weight. We also realized that the beams can be shortened by a lot because they only had to go up as much as the elevator actually went up. So the elevator could go up to here, and the beam could be just there too. It only went up how much the elevator was intended to go up. So this tank tread was changed and moved to be part of the guide. So now the tank tread helps out as the guide and the drive. So this is what it looks like. The guide is a little bit different too. There's only one 1x3 to help it stay in place, which makes it a little bit looser, but not too much. So those are all the designs I have for you right now today. So I hope you can make these, and happy building. I hope I see you in competition. Bye bye. Wait.